students. Today we are going to solve some questions which have been given in the assignments of students in school. So there have been several questions which we are going to solve here. Like one question is that you have to input marks and name of a student, and that marks would be inputted only of computers. The program should print well done if the marks of computers are greater than 80. Otherwise, it should print work hard. So most of you will be able to solve it, those who are very clear. So just tally your program with the program that I am making here. The first thing that we have to do is input the name and marks. So we'll write here 10 input. Enter name and marks in computers. Name we know is taken in $N. Dollar sign is for a string, and then the marks of computers. Then we have to check if this marks is greater than equal to 80. Then print well done, else print work hard. You can even print the name of the student along with your message. So we'll move back. We'll write here print $N. Well done, else print $N. Work hard. And then end. Control C. Now with the help of run command we are going to run this. It is asking us to enter the name and marks. So I am going to give here a name as Pooja, and marks I am giving as 85. So it's saying Pooja, well done. Why it is giving so much of a space, you people already must have understood. Comma always leaves spaces in between the two things that have to be printed. Okay? If I run it and I give some marks which are less, the name that I am giving is suppose Neeraj, and I give 76. So the message is Neeraj, work hard. Right? This was one of the questions in the assignment given. Then the next question was to input name and marks in physics, chemistry and maths of a student. Calculate his total marks in all the three subjects. Calculate his average in all the three subjects, and check if the average is greater than 90. Then you should print you get science, otherwise you do not get science. So most of you must be having something going on in your mind. Yes, I'll do the program in this way. So let's see. New auto. We have to input the marks in physics, chemistry and maths. So input, enter marks in physics, chemistry and maths. So PCM. Then we have to calculate the average. So let average is equal to P plus C plus M divided by 3. With if we are going to check if average is greater than equal to 90, then print you get science. Else print you do not get science. So if I run this program with the help of run command, it's asking me the 3 subjects maths. I'm going to give you 78, 45 and 60. So it's saying you do not get science because if the average is calculated on the whole, it will not be equal to 90 or above 90, right? Now the next question in the assignment was that to input a character in uppercase, and if the character is capital C, then print chairman. If the character is capital D, then print director. If the character is capital M, then print manager. Otherwise print clerk. So for C, chairman should be printed, for D, director, and for M, manager. Otherwise clerk. So most of you must be having some guesses. We'll make the program this way. So let's see how your program is going to do. We are going to write here enter character in uppercase. The character also is inputted in dollars. So we'll write here $, and with it we are going to check. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not write here auto. We'll break it off. Auto. We'll write from the scratch again. Enter character in uppercase $. If $, is equal to capital C, then print chairman. You can write else if in the same line also, but it will not look good. So move to the next line, and again with if you can check. If $, is equal to capital D, then print director. Next line. If $, is equal to capital M, then print manager. Here we can write else print clerk. And so if I run this, line number 10. Oh, I did not write input. We write here input, enter character. Okay, now let's run this program. I am giving here capital D, and the answer is director. but at the same time it is giving me clerk also. So to stop this, one thing can be done in our program. And that is, when 20 line number is printing chairman, with the help of colon, directly say go to 50 to end the program. Otherwise it will move to the 40 line number also. So let me make some changes here. After this we are going to write here colon and we'll say go to 50. If I list this program, the changes have been picked up. Similarly in 30 line number also I'll have to make some changes. List 30. Now let's run this. If I am giving here D, it will only give me the answer director, because after director I have given the command to go to line number 50 and stop the program, right?